All right, so the last or the third option for the basic assignment is a Google Drive assignment. All right, to do that, you can just create an assignment just like normal. You can add text here if you want. All these things are certainly allowable or encouraged or whatever. No need for holding back on any of that. And oftentimes I would encourage instructions put here as well to make sure those kids are getting it. But you'll see down here, and you can use all these things too, but right here, Google Drive Assignments is a button. And you click that, and it'll bring up your Google Drive. It may ask you for permission. Mine has been already given you given it permission, and it'll come up here with your Google Drive. Now, most of the time, it looks like it is in order of most recent. I wish there was a better way for this to be organized. I wish it would show up just like your Google Drive does, but it doesn't. So you do have to know what the name of this particular document is in order to find it. And there are some limitations. If you notice here, this Jamboard is grayed out. I can't do anything with that. There are other pictures. I can't do that because it's a Google Drive assignment. In order for that to happen, and forms can't be used either here. It is simply the only options you have are PowerPoints, spreadsheets, or documents. Those are the three things you can add here. So what happens is you take, let me just take this one. Okay, I can view it just to make sure it's the right one, but I know that's the one I want, and so I'm going to attach it. You notice the assignment changes a little bit, and the instructions here, this will create a copy of your file for each student. That will put that file in their Google Drive as well as on their Schoology, so they have editing rights. And so I'm going to click that. I'm going to click a due date. Always remember that due date, and number of points you want it worth, category that is being set, and everything else you may need. All right, and then click create. And once again, that's going to show up over here. Google Drive assignment. It's also down here. But the difference is, when I go to click on this as a teacher, the interface changes. And it shows you the assignment. Students will see this as well. And then instead of in progress and submissions, they will have a My Assignment button. If I had students in this class, I could click the in progress, and over here would be a list of students. And if I clicked on a student, it would show their Google Doc right there. So if they are working on it live in class, I can view what they're doing. I can edit. I can do everything you could do with a shared Google Drive or Google document. Once they are done, it'll appear, and they click submit, it'll appear in the submissions. Again, it will show up, and you can filter with who's done, who's not done, who's that kind of stuff. And again, same thing. And you'll have opportunity to grade it. Your rubric will appear here if you added a rubric. And so that is how the Google Drive assignment thing works. You also have the option of unsubmitting the assignment if they need to work on it some more. So that's just a quick overview of the Google Drive assignment, and that's the third type of assignments.